Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Karibuni tena kwa chaneli yetu. Tutafanya topic ambao ni wanafunzi wengi waliulizia, nayo ni reciprocals. So nimeamua hii ndio iwe design yangu. At least uniambie kwenye comment section kama umeipenda ama endelea ile kitambo. So now the first question umeuliza work out, si ni work put. Work out the reciprocals of the following numbers by division. So hii ni reciprocals by division. So si topic ngumu hivyo. Then tutaingia using I think math tables, ambapo naona wanafunzi wengi wakorogeka. So without using calculators ni rahisi. Question A umeambiwa find out the reciprocal of 58. So basically the reciprocal of 58 can be written as 1/58. Now using long division, in which waweza fanya hivi, kuchukua 1 divide by 48. Obviously 1 haiwezi divide na 48, ongeza 0, ongeza ile decimal point, bado huwezi, ongeza 0, 58 yaingia kwa 100 mara moja, subtract 58, giving you a remainder of 42, and then ongeza 0 tena, 58 yaingia kwa 420 mara 7 kama sijakosea. So mara 7, so 58 times 7 gives you 406, and then obviously itakuwa 14, ongeza tena 0, 58 kiingia kwa 140 kama mara 2 tu, sawa, itakupa 160. So automatically you'll continue kwa sababu decimals ni nyingi. Let's assume umefika mpaka hapa 0.017. so ikakupa hivi something like this. So but most probably uandikie to 4 significant figure, but because we're not using a calculator or mathematical table, let's just leave it this way. So for the other question, obviously the reciprocal of 1000 is written as 1/1000, in which kwa vile kuna 3 decimal points, obviously itaandikwa kama 0.001. So yani waenda mara moja, 2, 3 hivi to give you 0.001. Okay. This is another question, this one 0.2, which you can also write it as 1/0.2, and if you change it into a fraction, you multiply it by 10, multiply by 10, na itakuwa 10/2. So then for 10 divided by 2, obviously it's going to give you 5. Now for the other question, just the same scenario, 1/50.5, which again you can multiply by 10 to give you 10/505, and then obviously simplify by dividing it by 5, divide by 5, and it gives you 2/101. So basically it's simple. Now let's go to the using of mathematical table. I think there's an exercise as well waiting for us. Now before we proceed to the to questions pertaining usage of math tables, it's better to do like an exercise question relating to the previous thing that I just taught. Now this is an exercise 1.1, which you can pause and do it by yourself, and maybe you can get something from it. Now the question says, given that x equal to 5, y equal to 3/7, and z equal to 5/6, evaluate the following. Question A, the reciprocal of x, y, and z. Then obviously Then question B is asking you to evaluate the reciprocal of x 1 x over y into 1 over x squared plus z. So basically, let's try it and answer this 3 questions. Obviously, if x equal to 5, then basically the reciprocal of x is going to be 1 over 5, which most probably is around 0.2. So that is for x. What about y? Right, since y is given there and y is 3 over 7, then basically the reciprocal of y is going to be 7 over 3, which is 1, not 1 per se, but it's supposed to be 2, 1 over 3, if I'm not wrong. So those are 2 answers. And the last but not least, okay, in which I need to wrap this thingy. Okay, the last is z, which is obviously 5 over 6, and the reciprocal is 1 over z, but you can also write it as z power negative 1. It's just the same, so it's going to be 6 over 5. That's for question A. Done. Now let's go to question B, Roman 1. Now for question B, Roman 1, obviously is x over y, in which our x is 5 and our y is basically 3 over 7. Now the reciprocal is when you take that one which is about to go down and that one which is down to go up. So it's like saying 3 over 7 divided by 5. Okay, in which 3 over 7 divided by 5 can be written as this way, and if you change the division into multiplication, it's going to be 3 over 7 times 1 over 5, and as a result the final answer is going to give you 3 over 35. So that's the answer to the first question. Now for the second question, I think we need to scroll down a little bit so that I get to do the second question, which is 1 over x squared plus z. So basically 1 is written as 1 over x squared plus z, x squared being 5 squared plus remember this is x squared, then plus z, z being 5 over 6. So sorry for that. 5 squared plus 5 over 6, so 1 over 5 squared, which is 25, plus 5 over 6. Again, we say the reciprocal, whichever number is down goes up, whichever number is up goes down. So basically the 1 goes down and this one goes up. So just like saying 25 plus 5 over 6, and automatically basically is 25 5 over 6. 25 plus 5 over 6 is just 25 5 over 6, in which you can also write it like this way, but this one may need to you using a calculator, but not a must. But each is going to give you around 25.83, so in decimal form. So be very crucial to these types of question, because sometimes you might get confused. Okay, because you're told questions is telling you to find the reciprocal of this, not to find the answer of 1 over x squared plus z. Otherwise here the same thing is this, result of the x over y, but the question is asking you to find the reciprocal of x over y. That's where many students usually get confused. Now let's go to the other questions. Okay, this is the third question. Sorry. Now this is a very simple question in which these are 1 over x plus y. So basically what you need to do is write those numbers down. So this is 1 over 5 plus your y, which is 3 over 7. So again, reciprocal hii is just basically saying 5 plus 3 over 7 over 1, in which si lazima hata hiyo 1 ionekane. So 5 plus 3 over 7 is going to be 5 3 over 7. So very simple. Now for the other question, which is z over x squared, basically we do the same thing, 5 over 6 over x squared, which is 5 squared. Therefore it's going to be 5 over 6 over 25. Now again, so we're going to do the same thing, peleka hii, peleka hapa. So it's just like saying 25 divided by 5 over 6, and since it's 25 divided by 5 over 6, the division changes to multiplication, and the 5 over 6 reciprocates as well, so giving you 6 over 5. So by 5 1, by 5 5, 5 times 6 gives you 30. So that is once as simple as that, right? But you can do the numerous ways also of doing such a question, in which I think kuna njia nyingine pia kufanya ukapata same answer. So now I think our next video will be about reciprocal using mathematical tables. But for now, don't go away.